So our today topic is about the Plato. So who was Plato and what are his work? So he wrote first political science book, The Republic, Ideal Society and Government. One of the Socrates' students became a great philosopher, left behind great number of writings that record ideas on a wide variety of topics, from nature of truth to ideal form of government. And the Republic argued that the government should be led by the philosophers. Life profile. So Plato lifetime period was 47 BC to 429. He belongs to city-state of Athens. His main achievements was the division of labor, and he also gives the plan of ideal social structure. State rise out of the need of mankind. He concludes that city arise because of division of labor, which emerge be- because of natural inequalities among human beings. So the things are produced in plenty when one does which is natural to him. For 2000 years later, Adam Smith used this same concept. There is a significant difference in the two writers, Adam Smith and the Plato. Plato division of labor is the basis of social organization, but Adam Smith division of labor for those who practice it. The second difference is Plato is talking about the inequality in human being lead specialization, but the Adam Smith only stress the specialization for the point of view of productivity. And the third and the last one difference is Plato used this concept for the structure of society. He used this concept for an idealization of the caste system. Now, the next is the ideal state. So, according to him, it is a small one with constant number of citizens, which are administratively convenient, and economic and non-economic activities will be strictly regulated. His ruler is an ideal one. The ruler will be free from any motive of economic exploitation. So these four are slaves, philosopher, ruler, governments are governs, and guardians, soldiers watch over the state, and handicraftsmen are below the free citizen like king and soldiers. These are the very small one ideal state which are administratively convenient. Classes are two in number one is the rulers and the second one is the ruled. Rulers are guardians and ruled are artisans. So artisans are engaged in the main activities of production and exchange of wealth, and the number of ruling class sit from childhood and carefully educated not in philosophy but art of war because they save their state. Those who pass the exam become the philosopher king and rest to hold the administrative duties. Plato believed rule by elite, and they do not have any property right beyond the need. They must not hold land or money on of their own. So if they acquire then they became a housekeeper and husband instead of guardian. Upper class does not have property and family. They are not allowed to possess silver and gold. Money and trust and trade. Money needs for the purpose of facilitate exchange. Value of money is independent of the stuff it is made of, and the foreign trade is controlled. Necessities may be imported, but goods are not exported. Money should not lend on interest. Inequalities will be reduced by imposing on wealth. Ceiling on wealth. So he did not talk on slavery. His political ideas were authoritarian and he halted wars.